Let's get straight into it. 1992 Cadillac Brougham. She has a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. She has the stock 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid, lower doors are solid, interior is nice and clean. Let's check her out. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 7.5, 8. Driver side frame and floor pan. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid in good shape. She has the factory RPO code sticker. Trunk nice and clean. The deck lid is automatic latching. She has power windows, power locks. She has a digital gauge cluster. Seats show minor wear. Headliner in good shape. Check out the dash. We'll check out the mileage on startup. Just stay tuned. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat in good condition also. Package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the stock 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter TBI engine, very reliable, backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC. Let's start her up. As y'all can see, the mileage reached a little over 53,000. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Just running nice and smooth. Don't miss out. Thank y'all for watching, guys. Y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.